Good morning, student. Yesterday we complete one easy topic, which is derivative of implicit function. Okay, very easy topic था. आज हम नया टॉपिक शुरू कर रहे हैं. बहुत बढ़िया टॉपिक है. ओके, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. तो यहाँ पे मैंने पहले सब फॉर्मूला लिखी हुई है. टोटल there are total 6 formulas. First formula is d upon dx of sin inverse x, and formula is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Same formula for cos inverse, but only negative, means opposite. 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, which is formula of derivative of sin inverse x, and derivative of cos inverse x, and formula is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Same formula but only opposite. See here, same formula for tan inverse and cot inverse, only opposite. Formula of tan inverse x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and derivative of cot inverse x, same but opposite, then minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now derivative of sec inverse x, formula is 1 upon modulus x under root. See here, under root x square minus 1, not 1 minus x square. And same formula for d upon dx, cos inverse x, same formula but opposite, that is minus 1 upon modulus x square minus 1. तो यहाँ पे भी चेन रूल का यूज होता है. कैसे? तो d upon dx of sin inverse x, formula is 1 upon 1 minus square of this value into derivative of this value. Derivative of this value with respect to x, that is 1. That's why formula is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Same way, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is 1 upon 1 plus square of this value into derivative of this value with respect to x. But here this value is x. Then derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. Okay, same way, derivative of sec inverse x. There are total two functions. First outer function is sec inverse, and then inner function is x. Then first derivative of sec inverse, that is 1 upon modulus of x under root x square minus 1 into derivative of inner function, that is derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. Okay, that's why this all 6 formula. Please remember. Okay, ये सब फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखनी है, और ये सब फॉर्मूला आपको 3 बार लिख के मुझे व्हाट्सएप करना है. ठीक है, कंपलसरी ये 3 फॉर्मूला, ये 6 फॉर्मूला 3 बार लिख के मेरे को व्हाट्सएप करनी है आपको. बाकी का सब होमवर्क जो आपको सभी मैडम को भेजते हैं वो सही है, लेकिन इसका सब ये फॉर्मूला 3 बार कंपलसरी मेरे को चाहिए. ठीक है, और जूम मीटिंग में ये सब आपको पूछूंगा. ठीक है, याद रखना. हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. साइन इनवर्स x का डेरिवेटिव अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर कैसे आता है, वो इलस्ट्रेशन 26. फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x एज्यूमिंग इट एग्जिस्ट. मतलब साइन इनवर्स x का डेरिवेटिव मिल रहा है, एग्जिस्ट है, वो हम एज्यूम कर देते हैं. तो उसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, लिख लीजिएगा. सपोज fx equal to y equal to sin inverse x. Okay, here I take fx equal to y equal to sin inverse x. Here we have to find derivative of fx. That means here we have to find derivative of y. Means we have to find dy by dx. See here, y equal to sin inverse x. Now y equal to sin inverse x. Now taking sine function both side. Then here sin y equal to sine of sine inverse gives identity function, and answer is now x. Now derivative with respect to x. See here, now derivative of this function with respect to x, then derivative of sine function, which is cos y, into derivative of inner function, that is derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Okay, and derivative of x is 1, and therefore dy by dx equal to 1 upon cos y. Okay, 1 upon cos y. See here, now we know that cos square y equal to 1 minus sin square y. Okay, which is identity of trigonometric, already learned in 10th. Okay, cos square y equal to 1 minus, but here sin y equal to x. Here sin y equal to x, then 1 minus x square. Now taking root, then cos y equal to under root 1 minus x square. Then here we put 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, which is डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x, जो कि बहुत इजी है और ये फॉर्मूला है जो कि एग्जाम में पूछे जाने वाली नहीं है। ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला कैसे प्रूव करते हैं ये दिखाया गया है। फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ fx इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स x। ओके, एज्यूमिंग इफ इट एग्जिस्ट, तो fx इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स x का डेरिवेटिव ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट है, ये आपको एज्यूम करना है। और सेम वे इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है, कैसे देख लेते हैं। सी हियर सेम वे, suppose y equal to fx equal to tan inverse x. Now we start from y equal to tan inverse x. Now y equal to tan inverse x. Now taking tan function both side, then we write tan y equal to x. Okay, tan y equal to x. Now derivative of this function with respect to x, and derivative of tan function which is sec square, derivative of tan function is sec square y into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, equal to derivative of x is 1. Okay, now sec square y take in denominator and then we write as dy by dx equal to 1 upon sec square y. Okay, now sec convert into tan, then formula is sec square y, that is 1 plus tan square y equal to 1 upon 1 plus, but we know the value of tan y, that is tan y is x, then here we put tan y equal to x, then answer is 1 plus x square. Then we get dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, but here y is tan inverse x, that means derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, see, we take some more example for practice. See here, first I take y equal to tan inverse 4x. Okay, tan inverse 4x. Here we have to find only dy by dx. See here, dy by dx. There are total two functions. First outer function is tan inverse and inner function is 4x. First derivative of outer function, and derivative of outer function, that means derivative of tan inverse x, is 1 upon 1 plus x square into derivative of inner function, that is inner function is here 4x, then 1 upon 1 plus x square, but here x as 4x, then write 4x square into derivative of inner function, that means derivative of 4x. Here derivative of 4x, we know derivative of 4x, that is 4, in denominator 1 plus 16x square, which is our answer. Okay, next sum. See here, y equal to sine inverse 2x square plus 5. See here, first here outer function is sine inverse and then inner function is 2x square plus 5. If we derivative of outer function at that time inner function as it is into derivative of inner function, see here, derivative of y, that is dy by dx. First derivative of sine inverse, which is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, but here x as 2x square plus 5, 2x square plus 5 whole square into derivative of inner function, but here inner function is 2x square plus 5. See in numerator, derivative of 2x square plus 5, we know 2 as it is, and derivative of x square, that is 2 into x plus 5, but 5 which is constant term, and we know that derivative of any constant term is always 0, then here we write plus 0 in denominator under root 1 minus 2x square plus 5 whole square, that means now x function 4x raised to 4 plus middle term 5 to the 10 to the 20x square plus 25. Okay, in numerator 2 into 2x, that is 4x, see in denominator 1 minus. Now I open the bracket, here coefficient are minus 1, then all terms are opposite, then minus 4x raised to 4 minus 20x square minus 25 equal to 4x as it is under root, here 1 minus 25, that is minus 24 minus 4x raised to 4 minus 20x square, which is our answer. Okay, very easy sum. Okay, first derivative of outer function and then derivative of inner function, ये याद रखिएगा. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, 3 बार कंपलसरी लिख के मेरे को बतानी है. ठीक है, good morning student. Now we take most important sum of inverse trigonometric function, derivative of inverse trigonometric function. I write here most IMP. Okay, most IMP raised 500. Okay, बहुत ही बढ़िया सम है. ये सम कैसे करेंगे देखते हैं. ओके, अगर हम यहाँ पे कुछ एज्यूम कर लें, इसको आप सोचो चैप्टर 2 के जैसा. चैप्टर 2 में क्या था? सिंप्लीफाई दिस फंक्शन, सिंप्लीफाई ओनली दिस फंक्शन. देन फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस फंक्शन. ओके, in second chapter we assume that here x equal to tan theta and then here 3 tan theta minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is formula of tan 3 theta. Okay, which is formula of tan 3 theta. अगर एज्यूम करके कुछ सम करेंगे तो बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी हो जाएगा. कैसे देखते हैं. मैं ये सम दोनों तरीके से बताता हूं आपको कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, देखते रहिएगा. नाउ फर्स्ट वी एज्यूम, suppose I take x equal to tan theta. Okay, put this value in this function and now y equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Now we put value of x, that is tan theta, that means 3 tan theta minus here tan cube theta in denominator 1 minus 3 tan square theta. We know that which is formula of tan 3 theta is tan inverse of tan 3 theta. See here, tan inverse of tan, which is identity function, yes or no. See here already given one condition, that is minus 1 upon root 3 less than x less than 1 upon root 3. I will put x equal to tan theta here, then tan theta 1 upon root 3, that is tan pi by 6, and minus 1 upon root 3, that is tan minus pi by 6. Now here I take tan inverse function, and tan function is always increasing function in all quadrant. Then here inequality as it is, then here pi by 6 less than theta less than pi by 6. But here we want 3 theta, then multiply whole inequality by 3, and minus 3 pi by 6 gives minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less than same 3 pi by 6, that is pi by 2. That means 3 theta lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, which is a range of tan inverse. Then here tan inverse of tan, that is identity function, and here we put 3 theta. But theta equal to, see here, x equal to, we have to assume x equal to tan theta. Now we apply tan inverse function both sides, then here tan inverse x equal to theta. Then we put theta equal to tan inverse x, then here 3 into tan inverse x. Okay, now see here y equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. But we already simplify this function, and this function equal to now 3 tan inverse x. Okay, this function equal to 3 tan inverse x. Now derivative of y with respect to x, that means dy by dx equal to 3 as it is, and derivative of tan inverse, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square, means answer is 1 upon 1 plus x square into derivative of x, that is 1. Then answer of this question is 3 upon 1 plus x square. क्योंकि बहुत इजी है, मैंने यहाँ पे ये सब पूरा एज्यूम करके किया है. अगर हम फॉर्मूला का यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा देखते हैं. यही सब मैं करने वाला हूं, लेकिन फॉर्मूला का यूज करके देखते रहिएगा, थोड़ा ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसमें अगर फॉर्मूला का यूज करेंगे तो सिर्फ एक ही स्टेप, ओके, एक ही स्टेप हमको खास ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, बाकी का सब सिंप्लीफाई है। देखते हैं क्या करेंगे। CL y इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 3x माइनस x अपन 1 माइनस 3x कंडीशन सेम, माइनस 1 अपन रूट 3 लेस देन x लेस देन 1 अपन रूट। नाउ डेरिवेटिव of this function, then dy by dx. Here first outer function is tan inverse and inner function, see here, inner function is very large, that is 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Then first derivative of outer function, that means derivative of tan inverse. At that time x as this bracket and derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square whole square into derivative of this inner function, means derivative of inner function, then here we use Poisson rule, 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x. See here, 1 upon 1 plus this term whole square, then we write as 1 plus 3x minus x cube whole square, in denominator 1 minus 3x square whole square, in numerator 1 as it is. Now derivative of this bracket, and we use Poisson rule, and Poisson rule is denominator as it is, that is 1 minus 3x square as it is, into derivative of numerator. But derivative of numerator, and numerator is 3x minus x cube, then derivative of 3x is 3 minus derivative of x square, that is 3x square, okay, minus now numerator as it is and derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator, see here, derivative of 1, that is always 0, and derivative of minus 3x square, which is minus 6x upon derivative whole square, that is 1 minus 3x square whole square. Now see here, I take LCM, then 1 minus 3x square whole square multiply with 1, and in denominator 1 minus 3x square whole square take in numerator, and now in numerator 1 minus 3x square whole square, in denominator 1 minus 3x square whole square plus 3x minus x cube whole square. Now simplify this bracket, denominator as it is, मगर इसको न्यूमरेटर में हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, देखते हैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 minus 9x square, okay, 3 minus 9x square, now multiply with minus 3x square, that is 1 into minus 3x square minus 3x square minus minus plus 3 into 3, 9x square into x square, that is x raised to 4. Next term minus multiply with this term, then always positive, 3x into 6x means 6 3s are 18x square, okay, now minus 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 use minus 6x into x cube, that is 6x raised to 4, in denominator 1 minus 3x square whole square as it is, okay, 1 minus 3x square whole square, which is cancelled. Now see in numerator 9x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4 gives 3x raised to 4, minus 9x square minus 3x square, that is minus 12x square, and minus 12x square plus 18x square gives 6x square, and last term plus 3 as it is. Now we open this bracket, that means expansion in denominator, that is 1 minus 6x square plus last term is 9x raised to 4. Same here, expansion, that is a square means 9x square, middle term 2ab means 6, x raised to 4, and last term is now x raised to 6, okay. See in numerator 3 is common, then bracket x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus, now in denominator, see here, first I write x raised to 6, then I write 9x raised to 4, then minus 6x square plus 9x square, that is 3x square, and plus 1 as it is. Okay, see here, dy by dx equal to, in numerator 3, but in bracket x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1, which is perfect square of x square plus 1, means x square plus 1 whole square. Now in denominator, x raised to 6 means x square whole cube, 1, that is 1 cube, plus 3 into x square into 1. Okay, 3 into x square into 1. Okay, यहाँ पे 9x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4, थोड़ी गलती हुई, यहाँ आएगा 3x raised to 4, sorry है, x raised to 6, that means x square whole cube, plus 1, that means 1 cube. Okay, and here 3x square into 1 whole square plus 3x square whole square into 1. 3x square 1 whole square, that is 3x square, and last term 3x square whole square, that is 3x raised to 4. In numerator, as it is 3x square plus 1 whole square. See in denominator, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. We know that it is formula of a plus b whole cube, that is ax square plus 1 whole cube. 2 times x square plus 1 cancel, then answer is 3 upon x square plus 1. See here, from both method answer is always the same, but this method is very short. Okay, but here first we assume, हमको पता होना चाहिए क्या assume करना है, लेकिन इसमें ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, इसमें सिर्फ आपको फॉर्मूला याद रखनी है, ये जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है वही खास आपको याद रखना है, बाकी तो सिर्फ सिंप्लीफिकेशन है. ओके, आंसर हमेशा सेम ही आएगा. बहुत ही बढ़िया सम है. आज खास फॉर्मूला प्रिपेयर करके रखो. ठीक है, आज हम यहाँ तक रखते हैं. ओके.